last parking spot. This is available on many Garmin nuvi Drive and DriveSmart models by going to apps, down, and then last spot. But there is another way to do it, which is actually faster. If I'm on view map and I want to save the spot where I am right now, where I'm parked, vehicle, save. So it takes 2 taps to get there instead of going, well, you have to name it, of course. But instead of going, if I'm viewing the map, I want to save my last spot, back, apps, down, last spot. 4 taps it takes to get to that. Whereas if I'm just viewing the map, 1, 2. So it's half the taps to get to this, which does the exact same thing compared to just using last spot. So you can use last spot if you want, but it's just faster to vehicle, save, name it, done, and you're done.